Okay, guys, in today's class, we are going to learn the difference using these irregular verbs in present simple. For example, the pronunciation of these verbs are have, 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 tener. El verbo have, tener. Go, go, ir, ir. Verbo go significa ir. Do, hacer. Have, go, do. Let's see some examples. I have a pencil. I have a pencil. Yo tengo un lápiz. I have a pencil. They go to the park. They go to the park. Ellos van al parque. They go to the park. You do the homework. You do the homework. Tú haces la tarea. You do the homework. So, I have a pencil. Yo tengo un lápiz. They go to the park. Ellos van al parque. And finally, you do the homework. Very well. You do the homework. Right here. Okay, guys, let's continue. Okay, now, how to pronounce these verbs using the third person. Remember, each time that we use the third person, the verb ends with the S at the end. Recordando que todos los verbos, cuando trabajamos en la tercera persona, o sea, con los pronombres he, she, it, estos verbos terminan con la S. Pero estos verbos, al ser irregulares, su forma original va a cambiar en la tercera persona. This verb always changes when we use them in third person. For example, have. Have in third person, have is has. O sea, el verbo have en tercera persona termina cambiándose a has. Have, has. Have, has. Let's see the verb go. Vamos a ver el verbo go. Go, goes. Go, goes. El verbo go en tercera persona pasa a ser goes. Goes. Let's see now the verb to do. Do, hacer, pasa a ser does. Solamente en tercera persona. Do, does. Do, does. Let's see some examples. Have. He has. She has. It has. Go. He goes. She goes. It goes. Do. He does. She does. It does. Let's see some examples using these verbs. For example, él tiene un lápiz. He has a pencil. Él tiene un lápiz. Aquí no sería have. Yes, has. Now, using the verb go. Usando el verbo go. She goes to the school. Ella va a la escuela. She goes to school. Ella va a la escuela. Aquí ya no sería go, sería goes. And the last one, it does homework. Homework. Eso hace tarea. Ya no sería do, porque estamos hablando con it, y sería it does homework. Very good job. Okay, guys, now I need that you make three sentences down below in the comments using the verbs have, go, and do. Chicos, aquí debajo en los comentarios van a colocar 3 oraciones usando los verbos have, go, y do. Guys, that was all for today's class. Remember, Don't forget to practice. Don't forget to buy your homeworks and see you in the next class. Goodbye.